In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SoundCloud widget in Elementor. If you want to embed audio clips from SoundCloud in your Jupiter X website, then you'll want to know how to use the SoundCloud element. To get started, let's add a SoundCloud element to a page in Elementor by searching for it here in the Elements dashboard. Then drag and drop it on your page and navigate back to the element settings. Now you just need to customize the settings. To start, enter the SoundCloud URL that you want to add to your page, like this. Then choose whether you want to display the visual player or just the audio player. Under additional options, autoplay will automatically start the player as the user loads the page. And all the following options will either show or hide the various features. For instance, if I change artwork to hide, the image will disappear. Lastly, this allows you to customize the color of the controls. Once you get everything set up correctly, update the page to save the settings. Thanks for watching. Cheers!